Today I am reviewing the Soocas NEOS II Ultra electric toothbrush. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The core idea here is consolidation. Instead of having a toothbrush handle on one side of the sink and a bulky water flosser station on the other, you get everything integrated into a single, rechargeable handle. It is surprisingly compact for what it does. The handle is definitely chunkier than your standard electric toothbrush, but that makes sense when you consider it is housing both the motor and a water reservoir. It does not feel uncomfortably large in the hand, but if you are coming from a slim, manual-style electric brush, there is a bit of a learning curve to the ergonomics. Let's talk about the cleaning experience, which is the most important part. The NEOS II Ultra uses a triple-action approach. You have sonic vibrations to break up plaque, sweeping oscillation to help mimic the professional-grade techniques dentists recommend, and the built-in water jet to clear out the gaps between your teeth. The sonic motor is quite capable, and the bristles have a cushioned, shock-absorbing feel that is surprisingly gentle. If you have sensitive gums, you will likely appreciate this. It doesn't have that harsh, jarring impact that some cheaper electric brushes have. You can adjust the intensity, which is a must-have for anyone dealing with gum sensitivity. The water flossing part is where things get interesting. Because the reservoir is built into the handle, you are limited to about 80 seconds of water flow. For most people, that is just enough to get through a thorough flossing session, but if you take your time, you might find yourself needing a quick mid-cycle refill. The water stream itself is quite powerful. It hits at about 124 psi, which is impressive for such a small, cordless device. It manages to deliver a consistent, fine jet that effectively dislodges food debris. However, using a combined device like this does require a bit of technique to keep things tidy. If you haven't used a water flosser before, or even if you have only used the big countertop models, you should be prepared for a little bit of spray. It is much easier to manage than a standalone flosser, but you will definitely want to keep your mouth mostly closed around the brush head to avoid splashing water all over your mirror. Some users find that using it in the shower is the best way to handle the water spray entirely, and since the unit is IPX8 waterproof, that is a perfectly safe way to use it if you want to avoid any cleanup at the sink. The battery life is one of the standout features. You are looking at around 30 days of use on a single charge. This is fantastic for travel, and the included protective travel case makes it easy to toss into a bag without worrying about damaging the bristles. The magnetic charging base is a nice touch for at-home use, too. It is port-free, which keeps the bottom of the brush clean and prevents the kind of grime and mold buildup you see on brushes with exposed charging ports. It just snaps on, charges up, and stays ready for the next day. Regarding the maintenance, you do have to be diligent. Because there is a water reservoir inside, you need to make sure you rinse it out properly and let it air dry. The kit comes with a small cleaning brush that makes it easy to keep the reservoir fresh. If you just leave water sitting in there for days, it is going to develop an odor, which is true for any water-based oral care product. Just make it a part of your post-brush routine to clear the tank, and it will stay perfectly sanitary. When considering if this is the right upgrade for you, you have to think about your current habits. If you are already a diligent string flosser, you might find that this device doesn't quite replace that level of precision. String floss can physically scrape surfaces in a way that water cannot always replicate. But for the vast majority of people, the ones who find string flossing to be too time-consuming or uncomfortable, this is a genuine upgrade. It is the difference between doing a good enough job and actually doing a deep clean every single night. The convenience of having the flosser right there as part of your brushing session is a massive nudge in the right direction. One thing to keep in mind is the ongoing cost of the brush heads. Because the head contains the water jet nozzle, it is a proprietary design. You're going to be buying replacement heads from Soocas, and they aren't going to be as cheap as generic brush heads you can buy in a bulk pack at the supermarket. It is a premium product, and you are paying for that integrated technology. It is a fair trade-off for the performance and space-saving design, but it is a recurring cost to keep in mind. I would also point out that the interface is simple. You have your buttons for the different modes, deep clean and quick floss, and the intensity levels. It is straightforward and doesn't require you to sync it to an app or keep track of complicated settings. For a morning or night routine, that simplicity is refreshing. You want something that works well, and doesn't force you to fiddle with a smartphone just to brush your teeth. If you are looking for a device that fits in a small bathroom, or if you travel frequently and hate carrying around separate hygiene tools, this is an excellent solution. It is definitely more expensive than a basic entry-level electric toothbrush, but you are effectively buying two devices in one. When you compare it to the cost of a high-end sonic brush plus a decent cordless water flosser, the price starts to make much more sense. Is it perfect? No. The tank size is a limitation, and the water flossing does have a learning curve if you want to keep your bathroom clean. But in terms of the results, it delivers that dentist clean feeling consistently. If you have been struggling to maintain your dental health, or if you have been looking for a way to streamline your morning and evening routine, it is well worth considering. It takes a boring, necessary task and makes it a bit more effective and a lot more convenient, which is exactly what a good upgrade should do. The build quality feels solid, and the midnight blue finish gives it a sleek, modern look that doesn't look out of place on a vanity. It doesn't feel like a piece of medical equipment. It feels like a well-designed personal care product. When you compare the performance of this to some of the bulkier countertop flossers I have used, I am honestly surprised at how much pressure it manages to put out. It is a testament to the engineering that they have managed to pack that kind of power into a package that fits in your hand. So, if you are someone who is ready to take your oral hygiene more seriously, or if you are simply tired of the clutter on your bathroom counter, the NEOS II Ultra is a very compelling package. It bridges the gap between the brushing we all do and the flossing we all should do, and it does it in a way that feels seamless. It is a genuine, practical tool that earns its spot in your daily routine. Just take the time to learn the technique, keep the reservoir clean, and you will likely find that it changes the way you approach your dental health. It is one of those rare cases where a gadget actually makes a daily chore easier and more effective at the same time.